Good morning to my respected teacher and judges and my dear friends. My name is Prabha Chauhan. I study in class 1st B. My school name is Navy Children's School. Today I am going to recite a beautiful poem on nature. The title of my poem is Only One Earth. Let's start. The sun is shining, the sky is blue, the birds are flying, and the breeze is so cool. Mother Nature is trying her best to give nothing but beautifulness. But what we do? Just make her a mess. But what we do? Just make her a mess. Let's make her the best by polluting less and less, by polluting less and less, and preserve her green grass for kids and the rest, for kids and the rest. Thank you. Please protect the nature. Don't cut trees, don't litter anywhere. Grow plants, save animals, save water and save earth. Because there is only one earth. Thank you. Do like and subscribe my channel. Bye-bye.